the rising cost of living and the harsh economic times that are happening in Ontario and across the country, unfortunately, more and more people are being forced into bankruptcy or having collection agencies contact them. Usually, people facing situations like that can't typically afford to hire a lawyer to learn about their rights. To help everyone understand this topic a little bit better, today we'll be diving into your rights and responsibilities when dealing with collection agencies in Ontario. In this province, collection agencies must be registered and follow the rules outlined in the Collection and Debt Settlement Services Act. The Ministry of Public and Business Service Delivery is responsible for regulating these agencies. Whether you owe money or not, a collection agency cannot harass you. They must adhere to strict rules under the law. If they break these rules, you have the right to file a complaint with the ministry. Registered collection agencies in Ontario must send you a private letter by mail or email. The letter must include essential information such as how much you owe, the name of the creditor, the amount due, and contact details of the collection agency. It should also include a disclosure statement explaining your rights and steps to take if you believe the agency has violated the law. After the agency sends the letter, they must wait 6 calendar days before attempting to collect payment of the debt. Contact means they must actually speak with you, email you, or leave a voicemail. A simple letter sent by regular mail does not count as contact. Collection agencies can contact you on Sundays between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. local time, or on Mondays to Saturdays between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. local time. They can also contact your spouse, family member, relative, neighbor, or friend under certain conditions, or your employer for specific reasons. However, they are prohibited from charging you any fees, pressuring or harassing you, contacting you on statutory holidays, using threatening or coercive language, making more than 3 contacts in a 7-day period without your consent, and giving false information or recommending legal action without notifying you. To stop collection calls, you can either pay off the debt or negotiate a payment plan with the agency. If you need help paying the debt, consider contacting credit counseling services like Credit Counseling Canada, the Ontario Association of Credit Counseling Services, or the Canadian Association of Insolvency and Restructuring Professionals. Debt settlement services differ from credit counselors. They are for-profit companies and may charge fees. Be cautious of those who promise huge debt reductions, stopping collection calls, or claim government approval. Always read the fine print. If you believe you don't owe any money, you can contact the collection agency and dispute the debt. Ensure you can prove the agency received your communication. If the agency persists, you can file a complaint. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to the ministry for guidance. Filing a complaint is an option if the agency doesn't resolve the issue. Remember, filing a complaint won't get you out of paying your debt. It's about ensuring your rights are protected. Stay informed about your rights when dealing with collection agencies in Ontario, and don't hesitate to reach out for help or file a complaint if needed. That's it for today's educational content. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow this page. And as always, if you have more legal questions or need guidance, feel free to ask. I'm Ryan Keeney, and I'll see you next time.